I agree. It is drywalling.
Wait, bring it closer.
Anyways, so
Wah!
party and Rick, guys drunk. And they're all like,
Oh, my dick.
The Patriots
Dude,
now
blah,
get
blah,
all over again.
well, Cindy, his wife, was like, oh, honey, please. It ain't that big. And he said to her, without dropping a dime, even a van looks small in a 3-car garage.
Oh, that was epic.
Wait, I didn't listen to that whole thing. Did you smell matches?
Okay, so Rick was at a party, and he was talking to a bunch of guys, and he was like, I got the fucking biggest cock in the world, and Rick was like, oh, I didn't do so bad myself, or something, and his wife, Cindy, was there, and she's like, oh, honey, trust me, I know, you ain't that big, and he said to her, without dropping a beat, even a van looks small in a 3-car garage.
Oh,
She slapped him in the face.
I get it. I feel not so retarded now, even though I felt retarded afterwards.
Okay, so that was way too tight.
What is it? Box knife? Man, I really smell matches. Did you light something?
Hi, what are you doing? Dude, I'll let you.
He probably went to get rid of the shit smell.
No, I don't do that. Okay, because then it's like you lit the poop on fire.
Hey Kai, what don't girls do? Why not?
Seriously, is that just minute?
Can girls fart?
No.
No, seriously, did that. I blew it out.
Can girls fart?
No, because you'd have to poop to fart.
Yeah. Makes sense. You can't fart. You can't do anything if it involves fecal matter.
I was gonna say fecal matter. What the fuck? Why can't girls fart again?
Where's that?
They can't poop! Fuck! Pay attention!
Ow! Really?
Oh.
What time is it?
I'm gonna fart on your face.
So I'm illegally out.
8:40.
Oh, the poor little minor child.
Don't worry. I'm gonna be a minute late.
You better not be. I'll stick my foot in your ass.
I think I'll reach up your ass.
Oh, let me do it first.
We'll both do it.
Me first, I got
It'll be
slipping
like
boots.
the donkey.
I'll spread his butt cheeks.
Of course you go for the cheek.
I got 5 on meat oil. I'll just grease the tip of my shoe and just give it a fuck.
Dude, I won't even give him the...
I gotta watch him do his ear today.
I got some sandpaper and duct tape.
I'll just give
Man,
him...
you don't got my duct tape.
No, but I have duct tape here somewhere, I'm sure.
Yeah, but I would demand people duct tape.
I don't think you're in a position to demand anything.
How are you in a
Sandpaper, put
position?
in your
Shut
ass.
the fuck up.
That's what you gotta get the sticky sandpaper and wrap it around your foot.
That's what I was saying, yeah.
Like the 100 grit. Oh, big old clumps of foot.
Hey, you all just
Look
figure
at
out
his
how to
butt.
sodomize.
He doesn't even
You're all
know.
big fuck.
Drop can't touch your toes.
No.
Show you where the wild goose goes. Am I the only person here that's seen Super Troopers?
I've seen
I haven't.
I have Super Troopers.
I have Forrest Gump, but I've never seen it.
Kyle,
And actually, I don't.
did you really just stick your finger in your belly button?
I do that all the time.
Oh, my Christmas pictures.
Oh, my Christmas pictures of
I just got the text message.
Okay, that smell is driving me crazy.
Shut up.
Wait, come here. Come here. Come closer. Come closer.
What the fuck did you burn?
I didn't burn shit.
I checked that too. I'm fucking tricking on this. Did you light a candle or something?
No, it was the match.
All of them?
No, take out all of them. That's why they're all flames right now.
This should be a smoke. Hella strong.
It is.
Because we're in. Right in the court. This one looks very compact to me. It's pretty wide. Do you like my? God damn it! What did I?
Oh,
Wait, Kai! Do it. Do it. I love it. Catch y'all on flip side.